to draw a longhorn.
Yeah, which is a cow with long horns, really long horns.
Yes.
You need your drawing supplies,
Yeah.
and we hope you're going to follow along. You ready to start?
Yeah.
We're using our markers to draw with, so we have marker paper to draw on, but you can use a pencil or a crayon. You don't have to use the same things. Let's start by drawing our cow's eyes. We're going to draw 2 circles. We're going to draw them kind of close to the middle of the paper. I'm going to draw it right here. I'm going to draw a circle like this, and then another circle. Oh, the eyes are going to be kind of close together. And then we can draw a little circle in the top left for the highlight, and then let's color in the big circle. Then let's draw our cow's head, and we're going to draw a big letter U. We'll start above the eyes. We'll come down right next to the eyes, and then we're going to draw the bottom part of the nose or the mouth, and then come back up past the eyes.
That's tricky.
It is kind of tricky, but I bet you can do it.
Yes.
You did it. Good job. Now we need to draw the really long horns. We're going to start by drawing a straight line that connects the top of our cow's head. So I'm going to start here. We're going to draw a straight line that comes across and goes past on each side. Yes. Now let's draw the horns curving up. We're going to curve up on both sides. Oh, see how long these horns are getting? We're going to try to match on both sides too. Yes, and then right at the end of the horn, we're going to curve it the other way too. Yeah, good job. And then we're going to draw the other side of the horn, or the bottom part of the horn. So we're going to start at the end so that there's a point. Watch me. We're going to get bigger and further away towards the head. So start really close, small,
and bigger.
and then bigger. Yes. And then we're going to do the same on the other side. Next, let's draw the ears. We'll draw a curve right below the horn. And then we're going to curve back into the head. We'll do the same thing over here. Curve out and then curve back in. And then let's draw the nose or the snout. We're going to draw an upside down U shape right here. And then we can draw the nose or the nostrils in the nose. I'm going to draw little circles and color them in. And then we can also draw a little smile for our longhorn is happy. You could also leave this, oh, I like that the mouth is open. You could also leave the mouth off if you want to make your cow serious. Now let's draw our cow's body. We're going to draw the top coming out from the horn, and then we're going to curve down.
Like a triangle.
Yeah, you could start. Oh yeah, that's a good spot. Yeah, it kind of does look like a triangle. Or let's turn it into a rectangle shape. We're going to draw the belly for our cow. And you can connect it into the head. Yes, and then let's draw the legs. We're gonna draw, maybe our longhorn could be dancing. I'm gonna draw a tall rectangle shape for one leg. And then we could draw another one right next to it. And then let's draw 2 more for the back legs. I'm gonna go a little faster since we're just repeating the same step. And we need to draw a tail. Let's draw it curving down from the back right here. And we could also make it a little thicker. And you could connect it right there. And then let's draw the fur or hair at the end of the tail. A little leaf shape. Yeah, that's awesome. Now let's draw the feet. We're going to draw a line across and then also split right in the middle. And let's do that for each foot.
Like little toesies.
Yeah, little toesies. We did it! We finished drawing our longhorn. It looks really cool, except we still need to
color it.
Yes, this part will speed up, so remember to pause the video and take extra time to color your drawings. Olivia, we did it! We finished drawing and coloring our longhorns, and they turned out so cool, all colored in.
Yeah, I really like yours.
Oh, and I really like yours too, especially how big your horns are.
Thank you.
I hope you guys will pause the video and color your drawings too. You can take extra time to add more things or even change the colors completely.
Yeah.
I'm also really glad that you decided to use our crayons. I love coloring with our gel crayons.
Yeah.
But you guys can use whatever you have, like colored pencils.
Or even paint.
Oh yeah, paint would be awesome too.
We hope you have fun drawing with us.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.